Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a picture of something and append it to Copilot. You can append pictures to Copilot so it can help you identify what's on the picture and give you some ideas on how to use the item or like anything. It can do anything with that picture, it can recognize it, and in order to do it, click on plus, then click on photo, allow, and you can take a photo now. You can also click here to select a photo from your gallery. I'm gonna take a photo of this plant. Then I'm gonna go further and ask it, what is this plant? How often should I water it? And you can see it gives me a response, what this plant is and how often should I water it. You can ask further questions about it. For example, like is it recommended for you or not? And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.